Hello, friends. My name is Isla, and I am your English teacher. In this video, we will learn 100 common English sentences that you can use every single day, from the morning you wake up to the night you go to sleep. So don't go anywhere. Stay with me until the end, because the best sentences are coming up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. 100 daily routine sentences. Morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I get dressed. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink my coffee. I check my phone. I read the news. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I say goodbye to my family. I leave the house. I go to work. I take the bus to school. Midday, 26 to 56. 26. I arrive at work. 27. I turn on my computer. 28. I check my emails. 29. I attend a meeting. 30. I answer phone calls. 31. I write a report. 32. I talk to my colleagues. 33. I take a short break. 34. I drink some tea. 35. I eat lunch at noon. 36. I order food online. 37. I call my friend. 38. I send a text message. 39. I finish my tasks. 40. I plan my next meeting. 41. I review my schedule. 42. I solve a problem. 43. I help a coworker. 44. I take notes. 45. I print some documents. 46. I clean my desk. 47. I drink more water. 48. I stretch my legs. 49. I check the time. 50. I continue working. Afternoon. I finish work at 5. I leave the office. I take the train home. I walk to the bus stop. I stop at the grocery store. I buy some vegetables. I buy some fruit. I pay at the counter. I carry my shopping bags. I arrive home. I take off my shoes. I change my clothes. I relax on the sofa. I watch the news. I check my messages. I water the plants. I feed the cat. I clean the kitchen. I do some laundry. I fold my clothes. Evening. I cook dinner. I chop the vegetables. I boil some rice. I set the table. I call my family for dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I wipe the table. I sweep the floor. I take a walk outside. I get some fresh air. I talk with my neighbors. I return home. I lock the door. I sit and relax. I read a book. I listen to music. I call a friend. I plan tomorrow's schedule. I write in my journal. 100. Great job! You just learned 100 useful English sentences for your daily routine. Practice saying them out loud every day, and you will speak English more naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next video. Bye for now.